Hey YouTube, this is DreamProjects right here, and today I'll be showing you how to upload or create this YouTube subscribe watermark, where you can choose to have it all the way through the video at the beginning or the end. And once they hover on this, they can either click this and go to your channel, or just click this and just subscribe to your channel. And just saying, this video was recorded by a screen recorder called Screencast-O-Matic, so please use that if you need it. And so let's get started. So first off, you want to click on your icon where your channel is. If you already don't have your channel, click switch account, and then choose your account that you are gonna use, that you have a channel that you want to use, and then click YouTube Studio. The longer way is to click your channel and then go to YouTube Studio, but just click YouTube Studio. It's faster and better. And then you want to stay on dashboard and then click on settings right here. And then it'll show general, channel, upload defaults, permissions, and community. You want to click channel. It'll show this basic info, advanced settings, branding, and feature eligibility. So click branding right here, and it'll say adding a video watermark to your content is a great way to improve brand awareness and channel recognition. You can learn more over there. So what you first want to do is click choose image, and it'll probably take you to files. Once you choose your image, it'll be right here, and that's how you can see that's how you can see if the image was successful. And then you could click display time. So throughout the video, you can choose. This could only show up at the end of the video. The custom start time you can choose, or the entire video. I prefer the entire video so people can subscribe or go to your channel anytime during the video. So once you click that, click save, and that's how you do it, guys. That is how you do a YouTube subscribe watermark button. And to check it out, just click on one of your videos. Go to one of your videos and click view on YouTube. And then once you're done, or you could just go to the end or the beginning to see, because you might have chosen a custom time even. And so if you have it anytime of the video, just like I do, then you could just see it right here. See, if you click it over here, it'll take you straight to the channel. And a lot of days people have it now. And if you aren't subscribed, just click here. And so guys, I really want you to subscribe, comment down below, and please like this video. And because of the coronavirus pandemic, I will be sending the link out on the description for how to wash your hands properly. If you haven't seen that video, you really should, because I've taken all the how to wash your hands properly videos, and I've made it into one small video, and I think it's a great video. So yeah, please check it out, and please subscribe, hit the thumbs up button to like it, and comment down below and give me some more ideas. Comment some ideas down of YouTube videos I should do, and I might do them. So please subscribe, comment down below, and like this video. Thank you for watching. See you next time on DreamProjects.